In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Wave accounting data to QuickBooks. We'll walk through exporting your records from Wave, getting your CSV files ready, bringing them into QuickBooks using the Import Data tool, and then reconciling to confirm everything lines up with your bank. Follow along, and by the end you'll have a clean, verified transfer. First, head into your Wave account and open Settings. Look for the Data Export option and choose to export your data in CSV format. Select the data you want to move, typically things like customers, vendors, products and services, your chart of accounts, and transactions, and set the date range that matches what you plan to bring into QuickBooks. Download the files and store them in a clearly labeled folder so you can find them easily during import. Next, prepare your CSV files. Open each CSV in a spreadsheet tool and keep the header row intact. Make sure date formats are consistent and recognized by QuickBooks, amounts are numeric without currency symbols, and there are no merged cells, blank header columns, or stray totals at the bottom. Check that names and account titles are consistent and spelled the same way across files, and that negative and positive amounts reflect the correct direction. If you make edits, save back to CSV. Now sign into your QuickBooks account. Click the gear icon, then navigate to the Import Data section. This is where you'll upload your CSVs. If you're unsure which area to choose, think in terms of lists versus transactions. Lists include customers, vendors, products and services, and your chart of accounts. Transactions include invoices, bills, journal entries, and bank transactions. Import each category one at a time. Start with lists so they're available when you import transactions. Upload the corresponding CSV, then use the mapping screen to match your columns to QuickBooks fields. Review the preview carefully, correct any flagged errors, and proceed when everything looks right. After each import, spot check results by opening a few records and, if helpful, running a quick report to confirm counts and totals align with what you exported from Wave. Finally, reconcile your accounts to confirm your opening balances match your bank statements. Open the Reconcile tool, choose the account, and enter the statement's ending balance and date. Check off the transactions that appear on the statement and watch the difference reduce to zero. If the beginning balance doesn't match, look for missing opening entries, duplicated imports, or date mismatches, then adjust as needed. When your reconciliation is complete, save it, and repeat for each bank and credit card account you imported. That's it. With careful preparation, mapping, and reconciliation, your Wave data will be accurately reflected in QuickBooks.